here is your spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms on wheel, and this over here is the space of your bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Saraswati Square by Metro Group located in Mulund. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. Also, you can have a look at the actual land parcel. This is the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see the project is located right opposite Mulund railway station. Towards the left, you have the east-west flyover bridge. And towards the right, you can lead directly to main gate of Mulund railway station. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of approx 1 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 39 story having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Mulund railway station near to east-west flyover, from where you have Mulund railway station at a distance of 2 minutes walk. LBS Marg is at a distance of 5 minutes drive. Upcoming metro is at a distance of 5 minutes drive. Also, you have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 5 minutes drive from the project. School, colleges, hospitals are again within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties at this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Saraswati Square. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 648 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place a sofa, center table and customize a TV unit in the living. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony attached to your living. And let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project. This is the actual flat. And you can also have a look at the actual view. Over here, you can place a dining corner of 4 to 6 people very easily and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, washroom and kitchen. First, on this side, we have a kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator. Moving forward, opposite to your kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right beside your common washroom is your first bedroom. This is the space of a bedroom where you can place a queen size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will have walkable space. And in this bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony views. And now, before moving forward to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you action location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's enter the master bedroom. This over here is the entrance where you have walk-in wardrobe space provided. You can see how spacious your wardrobe space is. That will give you a beautiful walk-in wardrobe feel. And this over here is the space of your bedroom where you can easily place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You will have walkable space. This bedroom is that spacious, and you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for views and safety. And in this corner we have your private washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Saraswati Square. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Saraswati Square by Metro Group located in Mulund.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.